Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to draw a line graph. Before we start, you can like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Let's get started. If you want, you can find the correct answer and write it in the comment. We will find the x and y values. For this we make a table. We will find the y values by giving the values 1, 0 and -1 to x in order. We will write 1 where x is written for x equals 1. The y value becomes 5. If we take x equals 0, the y value becomes 3. Lastly, if you write x equals -1, the y value becomes 1. We have completed the table. Now we mark these points on the coordinate plane. And in the last move, we connect the points and our graph is ready. You can write your topic requests and ideas in the comments. See you in the new video.